Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring you meet prerequisites and opening the right menu. Check your balance, gold, gems, or class tickets. Use what the class listing requires. Once done, tap Main menu, then Shop, and choose the Classes or Recruit tab. This takes you straight to available class packs. Make sure your internet is stable so the store loads correctly. If a bundle is limited, prioritize it now. Otherwise, scan options and ready your preferred currency before selecting a package to view its details. Now focus on the decision. Tap the class to inspect stats, skills, and any equip requirements. You want to understand why that class fits your roster, so compare cost and drop rate notes versus alternatives. Decide between a single purchase or a multi-pack for better value, and make sure any bonus items or limited-time buffs match your goals. Once you choose, press Buy or Recruit, confirm the currency, and read the confirmation pop-up. If a confirmation asks for real money, pause and verify your payment method. Finish by confirming the transaction and watching for the purchase success screen. The class should appear in your inventory or roster immediately. Once it's there, equip the class to the unit and adjust skills or level as needed to integrate it into your build. Make sure to check cooldowns and training queues after equipping. If something goes wrong, transaction failed, or item missing, restart the app, check purchase history. Then contact support with your transaction ID and a screenshot to expedite recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.